Students, we are going to discuss electrophilic addition reactions of alkenes in this video, right? Now, it means how electrophile is added to alkene molecule. Now, the first reaction which we will study is hydrogenation reaction. First of all, we will study hydrogenation. Hydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation means, what is meant by hydrogenation? Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is known as hydrogenation, right? And usually we do catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst is known as catalytic hydrogenation, right? So, addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. A catalyst. Dear students, we know what are catalysts. These are the chemical compounds required in small amount to change the speed of reaction, right? Usually we use catalyst to alter the speed of reaction, यानी रिएक्शन की रेट को फास्ट करने के लिए जो केमिकल्स हम यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें हम कैटलिस्ट कहते हैं, ठीक है? तो हाइड्रोजनेशन के लिए भी हम कैटलिस्ट यूज़ करेंगे एंड वी ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड सम स्पेशल कंडीशंस फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ हाइड्रोजनेशन. Right, students? So what other special conditions are required for the purpose of hydrogenation? This is the pressure as well as temperature. So the range of pressure must be 1 to 5 atmosphere, right? And if we use nickel as a catalyst, then the range of temperature will be 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. These conditions are required for the hydrogenations. These are the conditions. If we want to do हाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ एल्कीन, यानी अगर हम एल्कीन में हाइड्रोजन ऐड करना चाहें तो प्रेशर कितना होना चाहिए? 1 to 5 एटमॉस्फेयर और टेम्परेचर 200 to 300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. नाउ द प्रोसेस ऑफ हाइड्रोजनेशन इज अ हाईली एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट, large amount of heat is released during the process. The amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of alkene is hydrogenated is known as heat of hydrogenation. That is, what is heat of hydrogenation, students? Heat of hydrogenation. ठीक है, यानी हाइड्रोजनेशन इज एन एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस. एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस ऐसे प्रोसेस होते हैं जिसमें केमिकल रिएक्शन के दौरान हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम सिस्टम टू सराउंडिंग. हीट रिलीज होती है, ठीक है ना? तो since they are exothermic process, right? So the amount of heat which is released when 1 mole of an alkene is hydrogenated. Amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of an alkene is hydrogenated is called heat of hydrogenation is called heat of hydrogenation. Right, students? And heat of hydrogenation of most alkene is approximately 120 kilojoule per mole. Heat of hydrogenation of most alkene is approximately 120 kilojoule per mole. Right? This much amount of heat is released if we hydrogenate 1 mole of an alkene. This is the amount of heat which is released for the hydrogenation of each double bond which is present in the molecule. Right? So this much heat is released for the hydrogenation of each double bond in the molecule. Alright, students. Now, the catalyst which are used for the process of hydrogenation. If we want to do hydrogenation, we need some catalyst. Right, students? So, what type of catalysts are used? We can either use platinum, or we can use palladium, or we can also use Raney nickel. That is Raney nickel. Now, usually we use Raney nickel, students. Raney nickel. Usually, Raney nickel is used for the process of hydrogenation. Raney nickel is a spongy form of nickel. It has porous surface. It is a spongy form of nickel. Has porous surface. Right, students? Now we will see how can we prepare Raney nickel. Preparation of Raney nickel. If we want to prepare Raney nickel, right, we need sodium aluminium alloy. Sodium aluminium alloy is treated with caustic soda. So here we have nickel aluminium alloy. I'm sorry, students, nickel aluminium alloy. Nickel aluminium alloy is needed to prepare Raney nickel. Nickel aluminium alloy is treated with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, which is known as caustic soda. Now, when it is treated with caustic soda, we get Raney nickel as well as sodium aluminate. So, Raney nickel plus a salt, that is sodium aluminate, plus 3/2 moles of hydrogen gas. So in this way we can prepare Raney nickel. Right, students? Now this Raney nickel is used for the process of hydrogenation. Let's see some example of hydrogenation. Suppose if we have a molecule, an alkene molecule, CH3, CH, CH3, CH double bond, CH2, and we want to do hydrogenation of this molecule, right? So H2 hydrogen gas is required, right, students? And here we have nickel. Temperature range will be 200 to 300 degrees centigrade, students, right? This is the temperature. Now if we want to do hydrogenation of this molecule, after hydrogenation the product which is formed, now if we do the hydrogenation we get this product. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2 and CH3. It means one hydrogen added to this carbon and second hydrogen atom added to this carbon, right? In this way, this is an alkene molecule, unsaturated hydrocarbon. After the addition of hydrogen, under these conditions, changes to a saturated hydrocarbon, that is an alkane molecule. Students, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This molecule is 3-methyl 1-butene. Right, students? 3-methyl 1-butene. After the addition of hydrogen, it changes to 1, 2, 3, 4. It changes to 2-methyl butane. So in this way, alkene is converted to an alkane molecule. I hope this is clear to you, students. Let's see one more example. For example, we have benzene molecule like this. This is benzene molecule. Inside the benzene molecule, we have 3 pi bonds, right, students? So, to hydrogenate benzene molecule, since it has 3 pi bond inside the molecule, we need 3 moles of hydrogen. 3 moles of hydrogen gas, right? Again, reaction is proceeded in the presence of nickel, Raney nickel, and the range of temperature will be 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Right, students? Under these conditions, benzene, it is hydrogenated. This is benzene. After the hydrogenation, all the 3 pi bonds are hydrogen is added between the carbon atoms where pi bonds are present, and benzene is simply changes to cyclohexane. In this way, unsaturated hydrocarbon changes to a saturated hydrocarbon molecule. Dear students, hydrogenation is very important process. Catalytic hydrogenation of alkene not only used in laboratory, but it is also used in industry. Usually, hydrogenation is used for the manufacturing of vegetable ghee from vegetable oil. So, it is used, hydrogenation is used for the manufacturing of vegetable ghee from vegetable oil. From vegetable oil. This is the commercial importance of hydrogenation.